Let us solve this junior Olympiad. Lambda to the power 5 equals to 3 plus lambda plus 2. So what you do is try and bring all the constant on one side, and when they have variable, that is the lambda, view on one side. So first of all, multiply everything by 1 over lambda plus 2. This one too by 1 over lambda plus 2. And this squares, this one will cancel out this one. So the left hand side now become lambda power 5 power of 1 over lambda plus 2, and equals to 3. So we achieve 1. So we still have 5 here, so this 5 should come this side. What do? You think that is 1 over 5 this side. Now it's going to 1 over 5 this side. So this 5 will go with this 5. So we are succeeded now. So now we have lambda to the power of 1 over lambda plus 2 at the left hand side, and equals to right hand side 3 to the power 1 over 5. But look at here, left hand side here, this and this, we have lambda to the power of 1 over lambda plus 2. That means this lambda resembles, and here we have 3 to the power 1 over 5. If you can manipulate the left hand side here, so that we have something like the base is 3. So if you have the power should be 1 over 3 plus 2. That means it should resemble this one now. Then we are done. We don't have a problem here. Lambda to the power 1 over lambda plus 2 equals to 3 to the power. Let us do something legal here. 1 over, instead of 5, we'll say 3 plus 2. You can see 3 plus 2 is still 5. And here you have the base is 3, and the power is 1 over 3 plus 2. And here, can you see the example is here? Lambda to the power of 1 over lambda plus 2. Clearly, the value of lambda here is 3. So if you equate the base, for you to be sure of your answer, equate the powers too. The power is 1 over lambda plus 2 equals to 1 over 3 plus 2 is 5. So now let's try it now. This time is this, give us lambda plus 2 equals to 5. So lambda will be equals to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So in either way, the value of lambda is 3. And that is the final answer. Thank you for being here.